What the hell?
I'm about to give up on this shit. I can't even see anything. What the fuck? What kind of fucking shampoo is this?
Ew, what the? Oh my god, why is it not coming out? Why won't it come out? I don't, oh my god.
I don't believe this, oh my goodness. What the fuck is going on? Oh my god. Ah!
Sir, you've been here for over 10 minutes. You need to move on. Sir, over here, over here.
I can't even, wait, give me a second, give me a second. Let me wash this shit off my face.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am.
Hold on.
You do understand there's a 5-minute limit? Look at this.
I'm
This
so
is pollution.
sorry. I've been trying to put this shampoo in my hair and it honestly will not come out.
What's your name?
Are you writing me a ticket?
Yes, I am.
Seriously?
Yeah, seriously.
I'm just trying to wash my hair, dude.
I don't care. You're over 5 minutes.
Dude,
water
fuck off.
shortage. I'm going to have to write this citation.
You're only doing this because I'm black, man.
Oh, no, sir. This has nothing to do with you being black. This has to do with you wasting time, wasting water, and polluting.
What?
Hey. So he's actually a fake police officer. I'm a YouTuber. I was behind you pranking the whole time. Huh? We're just filming a video.
Oh my god, are you serious? No! What the hell?
Yeah, can you see me? What's up, bro?
Oh shit.
So I was up there.
Oh, what you f***er, man? Oh, you motherfucker. Oh, you what the fuck? Ah, you guys got me. What the fuck?
Right back there.
You see the camera right there?
To the camera?
Ah, fucker, dude.